I'm Miss Amy from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Today I've got a messy, math-filled Monday inspiration. We're going to be making cloud dough, which is perfect for a day when there's a thunderstorm outside and all you wanted to do was go out and play in the sandbox. Before we start making and playing with our cloud dough, let's talk about the things that you'll need to make this not so complicated recipe. First, you're going to need some flour. You'll also need some baby oil, some measuring cups or measuring spoons, and of course, a bowl or a large container to play in. This recipe does make a mess. You've been warned. Now, to get the dreamy consistency of cloud dough, we're going to use an 8-to-1 ratio. What does that mean? It means we're practicing fractions. Let's start here. If I use 8 cups of flour, then I'm going to need 1 cup of baby oil, 8-to-1. But 8 cups of flour is a lot of flour. Tablespoon to the rescue. All right, let's remember our ratio. 8 tablespoons of flour to 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's start there with our tablespoon. We'll take 8 scoops of flour and put it in our bowl, add 1 scoop of baby oil, and then let's see what that looks like. Now we'll let the fun continue. We'll mix together all of our baby oil and flour to make our cloud dough. You can try molding shapes or tracing letters, or just talking about the texture of this awesome cloud dough. Have fun, friends, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye-bye.